booty through the.
What's going on, Ninjas? C44 here, and today I'm going to be doing something very different on my channel. As you can see, we're not at the soccer field. We're at my friend Marco and Mateo's house. We're going to be opening Pokemon packs. So Mateo has chosen, because some feel like we should make a video with him. He's new on my channel, so hi Mateo.
Hi.
So he wants to do Pokemon packs. Let's get into this. So I'm gonna open it first. We got these. Ooh wee! This is nice. I'm gonna open these delicately.
Here, go up. And yeah, whoever's opening the pack goes up and shows.
E. How do you open these? I feel like we need scissors or something. Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert, class!
So, Marco become a legend. He opened these for me. So we don't know where good cards are, so here, go get yourselves some Pokemon. We're gonna do 3 from the back. Oh, before I start, I got this video from David Parody, roll the clip.
Bro, if it's the next card, I'm making it with you. I swear to God.
Yo. No.
No? I swear to you.
3 from the back. First card. Pokemon Ranger Trainer. Second card.
Yo, show it.
Not a good one.
That you had
Not a good one.
I can read.
Second card. I'm gonna show the clip of that guy still doing. Nede Oriano. Oh, I got the female version.
Yo,
of the male
show
version.
it to them, bum.
Right there. This one here. Next card. I'm sorry. I don't know how to pronounce these names. Rat.
What?
Parnard.
Parnard. Tankla.
Tangela.
Joltik.
This is the worst card. This guy's 30 RP. Stop him, cheese.
RP, yeah.
Rare.
Armadillo.
Armadillo. Now here for the good card. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, wee.
Oh, yo, that's actually good.
That's a naughty
Yo, you
card.
can tell. You can tell if it's rare. You look in the corner. You look at the corner and there's either a star, a diamond, or like.
That's a naughty card.
That's nice.
First
Yo,
pack?
it's holographic.
Stop.
No.
Oh my gosh. First pack. I'll
Oh my
take
god.
it. I'll take it.
That's nice.
Let's get into the next pack. Next. Oh, yeah.
Let me see.
Okay, so now it's my turn to open cards. I'm opening
Show 'em which one
this
you
pack. I have no idea what that is.
Oh, yeah. Just by the way, I opened this one. Let's focus like those people, like those male people. Like you know, like those makeup tutorials. You're like, so today I got the cream right on lip gloss.
Ooh, it's a nice pack. Okay,
Ooh, wait. You know how to open it?
let me see. Ooh, okay. Oh, I don't want to look at them. And then, as I just saw, here's your free Pokemon.
Ooh, oh my gosh.
1, 2, 3 at the front.
3 from the back.
Let's go. First card. Ooh, that's a 90 pink card.
Ooh, wait.
90. This.
Yeah. Sorry, we don't know names, so we're just gonna show the cards to you.
Fairy Drop.
Hey, fairy drop.
That explains Joey.
What's his HP?
90.
Ooh, wait.
Lavatar.
Okay, if you get a seal, it's Bongo. Okay. You gotta go
That's-
Bongo.
And then a Rattata.
Diglett.
DJ.
I got Diglett.
Diglett.
It's D.
I got Spoink.
Ooh, that's a nice picture though.
Spoink.
Yo, what's your final?
Kolf King.
When you get your rare, then it'll show your final.
Oh, come on.
You got a trainer? Stop.
Yeah, I get it.
This guy got...
And my
Last card,
special
ready?
card is... Wow, that's absolutely bumhole. Wow, that's so bad. Barbacade.
Sucks.
Okay. Then it's just pack. I got a rare trainer. Mine was actually kind of nuts.
I feel like mine's gonna be good.
them all doing songs trying to take my style. Hey, money talks, yeah, my money gets annoying. Hey, juice digger chasing clout from your boyfriend. Hey, bitch, I got more plugs than the modem. Hey, I got carrots in my ice like a snowman. Hey, how you gonna let your girl have a better verse? That's your girl, she a stick, she ain't got curves. She a hoe, yeah, you fell into the thought curse. Drop merch and it's selling like a god church. Ooh, new girl on that track, she sound better than you. Someone diss me, I don't know, I'm like who? Said I cashed out from that last song, it's true. And yeah, I just spent your whole rent on some shoes. I hit the club and I'm leaving with 2. Verified cause all these checks that I blew. New girl on the track, she sound better than you. Someone diss me, I don't know, I'm like who?
What pack was that?
This man doesn't even pay any money and gets an EX.
That was one of the weird ones. It wasn't evolution.
Oh, Mateo's gonna go on the couch and do his. That's new. Which one are you opening first? Show him.
Sun Moon.
Show him. So Joey's was kind of ridiculous. That was actually a crazy pack. So
Ridicle pickle.
I'll open it. That was crazy.
Oh, the ghost is saying
I got a minor in New Jersey. We're still freaking out about Joey's pack. We're still freaking out.
I don't know how.
Crazy.
Yeah, I know how to open them now. We got DJ.
You spit in my face.
Go on, guys, tell us some Pokemon.
mine used to be like that.
3 from the back? No, 4. He's a sun and moon.
It's 3? That's
Yeah, no, it's 4, but
No,
it's sun and
but
moon.
I did Sun and Moon negative 3. Here, open it.
Okay.
So,
You need to hold it while I
there
swipe.
you go.
No,
First
put-
card. First card.
Do you want me to just put it on the side?
No, here, I'll just do it. First card.
Okay, I'll put it on the side. It's easier.
Easy.
You show him the? Did you show
Oh, yeah.
him the card?
First card was I showed them this guy.
Yeah.
We're not even trying to pronounce names now because we don't even know the names.
Yeah, screw it.
Okay, so just
Dude.
screw the names.
Trainer. Is that rare? Trainer?
No,
No.
it's normal. When you get to the rare card, just tell me, and then I'm gonna go, and then I'll pull it so it's a good dramatic. If you do get any X.
Rada, I think.
Ratata.
DJ.
DJ.
I don't know who this guy is. What the hell?
Oh wow, we got a weird
He
picture.
looks
Though.
scary.
That's a naughty picture though. That's a naughty picture.
That's so ridiculous. Fly?
Fly?
No, cutie.
Oh, cutie fly.
Rousey. Okay, for the final. Oh, reverse.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit!
We see something.
Oh shit! Yo, that's amazing! Yo, that's a secret rare. I think we're GX.
It was from the back.
Fucking GX.
Mateo was right. It was from the back.
I told
Next time, listen to
you.
Mateo.
Here, lies.
Oh, I should have been Wolfie. Wait, before we start the video, remember? Let's smash 10 likes on this video!
Get your boy Ken this video hit 500,000 likes!
I just picked it up. All right.
4 from the back, yeah?
Yeah. Leaf Energy,
Ooh.
Sligo,
Trainer.
Trainer. Oh, Sableye. Wow. I'm not even gonna pronounce the names. Bellsprout,
I got evolutions. Those are both.
Cottony,
Next time you do bad times, I'll put a side
Sandshrew.
I don't have a mega yet.
Oh, Stuffle.
No, he's not the good guy.
Ooh,
But I didn't get.
Tentacool.
I'm.
Reverse. Ooh. Whaler. Oh my. This is the reverse. I think I saw a shine. There it is.
That's good. Play the sound music.
But that's
So, we got
nice.
Venusaur on the pack, so you know it could be a good one. I feel like they open a lot of these ones.
I'm gonna open it.
Cause I remember now, I'm lit, don't worry.
He opens like Charge. Oh,
Ooh, first
nice start.
Voltorb.
Get your free Pokemon.
I want to do it. That hit the camera.
Here we go,
Get yourself anything you
Even though it's not even focusing. And it's upside down.
It's upside down.
And it's upside down. How much beef on the back, yeah?
3. Wait,
Four.
is it an
Four.
evolution? No, it's
No, it's
it was
evolution.
evolution.
Yeah, so it's 3.
3. My turn.
So,
Trainer.
trainer,
Porygon.
Oh, you actually gonna say the names? None of us said the names.
Well, I'll try if I don't know them. Trainer. Voltorb.
When you're
I know a lot of them. Rare Weedy.
He got Rattata. He actually got the proper one.
DJ.
DJ.
Again.
He actually got, and that's the proper Rattata. That's the one that they actually use. DJ.
Tangela.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He got a break.
Shit!
He got a break. Oh my gosh.
No.
He got
I
the
got
rare
a
break. This one's actually really rare.
Oh my god. Ninetales. Yo, keep that safe.
This one's weird. And then we got another DJ.
A DJ.
DJ's like brother.
DJ.
That's it. On to the last and final pack.
Guys, last
Final
pack.
Let's go. When is this gonna be long? I don't know if it's gonna be a long one.
Okay.
4 from the back.
Oh, it's free Pokemon. Let's see. First one.
Yeah, just don't even say the name. Just go.
They can read. I trust.
Him. Ooh.
Energy. Ooh, nice. Nice energy. Trainer.
Holy. Dude, Mateo's battle was crazy. Though.
I
He
know.
got
Here.
the 2 packs
Okay.
open. You got 2 really good cards.
I got like.
Vulpix, okay.
Is that the rare? Is that one?
No. No, it's not last.
No, this.
Oh, wait, is that the?
No.
No.
Okay.
It's not the rare.
Okay, I think this is the reverse.
Yeah.
Ooh.
This is the reverse. Ooh,
Okay.
shiny.
I think
All
you got
right.
that one.
Okay.
We
come
have
on.
to get a
Last
banger.
one.
Please,
The
the
last
last-
pack has to be good. Let's go.
Let's go, please. Ready?
Cue the dubstep. Now.
Dubstep music now.
Wish you were.
Wish you are. Wish you
That's good. So that's all we have for today. That was an interesting video. First Pokemon video. If you want Pokemon videos, please like, subscribe if you're new around here. So all we have for today was like, subscribe, and stay fresh.
She keeps reminding me that you're still gone and I'm still lonely.
This is what he does for YouTube.